Hello friends, today we are going to unbox this Digitek wireless microphone system. The model number is DWM-101. Let's cut with this beautiful knife. You can see there are information about the microphone system. As we can see from the package, good packaging. What we receive: transmitter receiver, 2 wind muffs, 1 charging cable, 1 DSLR cable, monitor UFO and Type-C cable. Also in the picture we can see transmitter and receiver, the model name, other informations, import information, technical informations with lighting cable. Let's unbox and see what we are getting with this box. As this Digitek claim, it can work with camera, smartphone. Smartphone includes both Android and iPhone with 10 to 12 hours of working time and 100 meters of radius. This is enough to create all the stuffs you want to do with this. Let's unbox and see what we are getting in this box. So first of all, a good travel pouch hard case. It will protect your microphone. Let's keep away that knife. Unzipping, and we have here a receiver. Yes, it is receiver. 1 transmitter and another transmitter, and cables. Here the charging cable with Type-C. Keep it away. Type-C to lightning cable for iPhone users and content creators with iPhone. And here is the Type-C to Type-C cable for Android users. Type-C to 3.5 mm with 3 rings. Here is the headphone. There are 2 headphones. Wind muffs. Another wind muff, as there are 2 transmitters. These are the user manuals. Yes, user manuals. And the app installation user guide. Yes. Oh, the good packaging. Let's keep this. Wait. There is another cable. It is the 3.5 mm with 3 rings and Type-C. Okay,
Thank you and subscribe.